Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy. For those who don't know me and those who are returning, thank you so much for your support. In today's video, I wanted to show you a comparison of these two lovely Speedy 20 and the Speedy Nano. I wanted to compare these two bags in my collection as I have been using them so much, and especially the 20. I've grown to this bag become almost a #1 used bag in my collection because it's so convenient for its size, for its versatility, top handles, crossbody, or on the shoulder as well. And this one, as you know, this is a newly in my collection and has become so used. Believe it or not, I can put in here as much as I need for a weekend, not a full weekend, but for a date night or just going out or church and stuff like that, and has become such a conversation starter, this little bag, and I am madly in love with it. So I wanted to compare these two beautiful bags. So they're both Speedy bags, both top handle with removable and adjustable straps. Let me show you the one for the Speedy, for the Nano Speedy. This is the strap she comes with. As you see, it is adjustable right here and obviously removable with her logos everywhere on the lobster clasp. Also, she has some, let's see, some engravement. There you go. Right there, she has some engravement, Louis Vuitton. Let me take this off just to be fair on her. This is a little cute little bunny that I purchased for her that you can barely see his eyes right there. It's so cute. See him? His little beady eye. And he has some pink around and of course the bling at the feet, which I love. Also a very, very conversation starter. And this little bunny has satin under its ears, and it's a little clip-on that you could clip on to the bag or to your keys if you wanted to. I am in love with him. So this is what the bag looks like, and I'll put measurements as far as the length, the height, and the width. As you can see, she has these D-rings right here. That's where the belt or straps attached to her. She's got the beautiful, beautiful bow that says Louis Vuitton Paris right there. In there you can put keys or anything. I placed these daisy little flowers that I found for her in there. She also has some engravement right here with Louis Vuitton as well. The zipper pull has the engravement as well. Zipper is nice and smooth. Beautiful beige interior with the tab that says 20th year anniversary Murakami with LV collaboration, whatever, whatnot. Yep. And it doesn't have any slip pockets or anything inside. It's simply that microfiber cloth. Very ample, believe it or not. She is very ample in there. So that's what this one is. And then we have the 20, which mine is tanning so beautifully. The vachetta was as light as this one before, and now she is nice and tan. She's got the two tabs in the front, 2 tabs in the back, and as you can see, if you notice right here, she has a water spot right there. All her rivets are engraved. Right there, it says right there, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Mine is made in France. Then she has her zipper pulls. She has 2 of those, and the zippers are engraved. And then inside, wow, she is so ample, and red interior with that fiber material. Then she has a slip pocket right there on the side, and that's all she is inside. Nothing inside usually. And what I love about this one is that the zippers come down further down on the sides right here, whether it's 1 inch or 1.5 inches, that makes a difference. So when you open the bag, she opens very ample in comparison to the Nano, which is really tight to open. So the opening of each of them is totally different due to the zipper opening. And by the measurements, and the measurements of this one will do length, we'll do height and width. Okay, so obviously the 20 is gonna fit more things than this one, but I wanted to show you real quick as much as I can fit in here. Here I brought the origami. This is the medium one with the red interior. In here I have feminine products such as pads, wipes, etc. Okay, feminine things. And this I can obviously fit in here very comfortably with much space that I can spare to put more things. This is my Agenda PM that I've had for years, and this I bought brand new many moons ago. And yeah, this one I have in here. I have her set up really nice for myself. I have some business cards right here with clips, and here I have saved, and then I have my name with some more clips, and this I sent to make. Yeah, and it's like a, one of these, and then I have some papers in there, and I have my granddaughter. I had my granddaughter sign that for me in 2021, and then this one I also had made for myself. I had it, custom made. And then, yeah, we have another one right here, and then some initials right there. I just saved things in here that I think are worth saving. And right here, as you can see, it says loved right there. And then I have another one with my name there. Okay, so this is my agenda. I do not take it everywhere I go, but I do take her at times. This clearly fits in here. And then if I wanted to fill my mini pochette with some, this is an oldie but a goodie. Look at how patinaed she is in comparison. Look at that. So if I wanted to fill her up with some makeup, I could also put her in here and she would fit. Although now it's starting to get a little full, she would fit. And obviously this is my wallet, which I have to take with me, and this would fit right back there. And I have a couple of more wallets, but that will not fit. My keys from the house, I would put them right here. I could take my AirPods with me and put it up on top. And now we have maximized the space as much as we have in there, a lot, okay? And obviously she will close. It's a little tight to close, but she closes and she can fit all of that. You know, she gets a little wonky over here on the side, as you can see, you know, but she fits all of that very, very good. All right. Now, obviously, if I try to fit any of this in their little Nano Speedy, it will not fit because the Nano is a Nano. I want to show you and compare this Nano to one of the SLGs that I might have in here. I'm emptying out. I emptied her out, and let's say I wanted to put this inside the Nano Speedy, and this obviously is almost as big as this. So even though it's so thin, it will not fit at all, like at all, like at all. So if I wanted to put the mini pochette in here, I'm going to show you that you can squeeze her in there. I'll show you. Okay, it will fit with space to spare. Okay, with space to spare, but to get her out, you know, in the middle of your chaos day and you're trying to pull something out, it will be very, very difficult to get her out, you know, in a rush and whatnot. What I would suggest, if you want to use the mini pochette in there as a division of, you know, putting stuff inside the mini pochette and then on the side of it, you can do that to use her maybe as a compartment. But other than that, I don't recommend the mini pochette being in there for that. The agenda, we will not even try it, especially that the agenda is so firm, so it won't even, we don't even try that. Now my wallet fits in there, no problem. My 4-key ring holder fits in there, no problem. Okay. My AirPods fit in there, no problem. If I needed to take my lippies in something like this, like a little key clay with lippies, you know, because the inside of this is really light, and I would hate for it to get stained because of a lippy. So I would definitely put something to protect it. And as you can see, we still have space in there that I can work with. Like, for example, if there were another wallet that I wanted to take or something like that, let's say this one has all kind of gift cards on it, so I can put that in there. Let me show you. And I still have a little space where I can, in there, place a lippy or something like that. Okay, the AirPods are in there, everything is in there. And she closes perfectly. Okay. She gets a little heavy. So yeah. I mean, she can fit a lot. Believe it or not, she can fit a lot. So, 2, 3, 4, and my AirPods. So believe it or not, this little tiny little thing can fit enough for you to carry in the weekend. And this one, obviously, that could fit a lot more that you can carry. So I think these are two beautiful, wonderful, versatile, and loving bags in my collection that will stay for a very, very long time with me. not going anywhere. They're not going anywhere. So yeah, this is the comparison of these two beautiful Nano Speedy and the Speedy 20. Yes, so if you stood until the end of this video and if you found it fun, entertaining, give me a thumbs up, click the notification bell, and don't leave today without subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, God keep you, and until next time, ciao.